Another one, huh? Cruising! Cruising! Wow! Hold that guy up, bro.
He's not getting away.
He choked it. Cruising! That is a 4-pounder right there, buddy. Tsunami topwater frog. Oh my goodness. Why did my reel come off again? Ugh, Jesus. Unreal, man. What a reel. What is going on with me? Why does this keep happening to me? This bass is not happy. I'm be surprised if I lost him. Yep, get down on there. Thank you. And he's still there. He's not happy. Get on up here, buddy. Nice. Yeah, I'm fixing to. That's a pig right there, baby. Take it, buddy. He was not happy. That is a toad. That is a toad.
Jeez, look at it, stripped it out of the frog.
Yeah, man. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Boom. There you are, buddy.
Snapping a catch. Yeah, so I could not catch anything the rest of the time, and I'm good now.
Dude, look. See, they're up in the banks.
Yeah, man.
You gotta get close up to the bank. That's... I just got one.
Yeah.
Yep, told you they're close up to the bank. H2O Express, wake frog, right there. I don't like that. You can stop that right now, young man. See, look, he hooked himself more. Oh my God, where's my pliers? There we go. There you go. Little peanut, but still fun to catch. I gotta find them pliers. I hope I didn't drop them. There they are. I founded them. It's on backwards, fool.
None the wiser.
And you pull it in there, boom.
Bravo.
Bravassa. Another one, huh? Cruising! Cruising! Wow! Hold that guy up, bro.
He's not getting away.
He choked it. Cruising! That is a 4-pounder right there, buddy. Tsunami topwater frog. Yep.
Alright, another selfie?
Another selfie, man.
Alright. Do the selfie first.
Dude, 4-pounder. 3-pounder. It's looking skinny.
Yeah. Oh man,
Dang.
I packed my scale.
Mine's in my truck, but I don't feel like going all the way over there. 1, 2, 3. That is a good one. Yeah, there you go. You'll see in these pictures that his
That's the
head,
biggest one in Florida I've caught.
that's his head, a little bit.
There we go.
I was worried, but
Yeah, it is
damn.
that.
Yeah. Unreal. That'll be the topic of today's video, is fishing in the rain with frogs. How effective is a topwater bite with rain hitting the surface? Excellent, excellent topic. Cruising, I just lost a big fish. I just lost a big fish. Yeah. I don't know where there are some good drains.
There's that one over by
There's one.
Oh, there you go.
My God.
No, as soon as you stop
Yeah, right?
Dang.
Oh, baby.
Oh, I can flip.
Oh, baby. Yo, get my picture of this guy. That's the guy. That's the one. That.
Ah, green star, man.
And the camera still hasn't died, boy. Now watch this, Groosing. I'm not gonna rocket power this guy.
As soon as he's under, I'm gonna catch it. And now he's dead.
And there he goes.
I'm gonna catch him back.
So I went from doing the figure eights to the yo-yo, and look, my hook didn't even come out. He was just being stubborn. So yeah, maybe they're deeper now. Is that not a pig right there, man? Oh. That is a fat boy right there.